back away from the fence.
Weld,
I don't want anybody ahead of the stage area down there at the bottom of the grandstands. I know this is fun to get up front and see, but we gotta stay off the fence. We gotta stay away from the fence.
We also need everybody else in the stands to scoot in and make a new friend, because they tell me there's about 100 people underneath the stands still waiting to get in tonight. So we're going to need every seat in the house. And so we're going to ask y'all to scoot in, scrunch in, meet your neighbor, make a new friend, and make some room for the folks who still want to come down the table.
So if you can see that orange cone out there, it's watermelon on it. First one to hit the watermelon gets automatic money.
Okay, we've got 5 cars in our first heat. Car number 666, DJ Cutler. Car number 66, Alexandria Wells. Yeah, let's hear it. Car number 17, Bo Gordon. And we got 2 more cars coming in. Every car has a flag. If this is your first derby, I'll try and give you rules as we go along. Every car has a flag tied on. The flag means that they're fair game. You can hit that car, they're still qualified, they're still in the race. I assume that's car number 69, or X69, Mark Hansen. So that would make the last one coming in, 71, Marty Million. Each heat, the cars will start in a different format. This heat, they're starting out backed up against the rail. When we say go, they'll head for the watermelon or head for the other cars. 3. The last 3 cars go into the final heat. They're getting hot. Let's get this started. We'll talk about it some more later. We got 5 cars. Heat number 1 has 5 cars. Let's count them down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! his flag, car number 666, broke his flag.
Car number 66 is Lexi Wells. Car number 71 is Marty. We got to kill one more. Lexi's got hung up on the berm over here. Got to break him loose. Car 17, Bo Gordon gets a hit. Marty Million backs off. Wells trying to break loose from the berm.
Looks like they got her
That
stuffed.
wasn't very nice.
Gets her up and over the berm. Will Lexi be able to break loose and get back in? Oh, there's a little bumper kiss from Bo Gordon. And we've got that foam pole sitting.
She's got right in time to try and get her car back in.
What to do?
Car number 66, you have 10 seconds to make a hit. She just went like this. I'm not sure what that means. Time is up. Car number 66, your time is up.
Well, that's going to do it for the first heat.
Okay, ladies